This week on Backyard Breaks, Sound Science, an investigation into the sounds that surround you and their importance. To begin, let's sit back, relax, and think. Is it rain or is it bacon?
Play 3 videos of a rainy day, but I've replaced the audio of one of the videos, and instead of the sound of rain, I've added the sound of bacon frying. So I want you to think carefully which one the clip with the bacon is. All right. So actually, I lied. They're all bacon.
How did you do? It's amazing how sounds can trick us and or tell us what is happening in a movie, song, or everyday life. So, why do sounds matter? Well, humans use sounds to learn about our environment, express feelings, make video games, and wake up in the morning. What other reasons can you think of? Sounds are used by musicians, sound designers, and engineers to create the soundscapes that we consume in media we watch and hear every day. Scientists study sounds to learn how and why organisms interact. How can you learn more about the sounds that surround you? One of the ways is through making sound maps. Sound maps are a way for us to record a geographical representation of our specific environments. Sound maps can help us track changes in our environments over time or find ways to mimic certain environments when creating different types of media. To make a sound map, you'll only need a piece of paper, writing utensil, and a comfortable place to listen and sketch. I'd recommend starting in an outside location, but inside works too. Before listening, draw a target. Your location will be at the center of the target, and the rings around the center will represent the distance around you. The further the ring from the center, the further the distance from you. Draw a compass next. A compass can help you identify the direction sounds are coming from. Next, draw a key. Use simple symbols to represent sounds you think you will hear, and you can always add symbols later. Finally, add the date, time, weather, and location on the page. Next up, take a break, get comfortable, and listen. To start, I'd recommend listening for 10 minutes. All the sounds you hear can be overwhelming at first. It's okay, don't worry. Just record or write the sounds you hear by using symbols as best you can. You can also make tally marks for common sounds in your environment, like cars or planes. Just a reminder, your sound map does not have to be perfect. For instance, take a look at my example. After you've completed your sound map, ask yourself, if you were making a movie, how could you use your sound map? Which sounds would you include or leave out? What sounds are essential in order to describe the environment? Just a fun idea, if you like to journal or would like to start, sound maps can be a great tool to add to your routine, which helps to describe the environments that you live in. Want to learn more about sounds in Hollywood or in nature? Check out the links below. Want to learn more about sounds in Hollywood or in nature? Check out the links below.